Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Jai Srimanarayana. On this auspicious day of Guru Purnami, I would like to share my obeisances towards my Acharya. What is meant by Guru and Acharya? Guru and Acharya wipe out our ignorance and light the lamp of knowledge. When Guru may give this knowledge related to the world, but Acharya gives us the knowledge about the spiritual world. I came across and come across many miraculous happenings in my life too. My grandmother, Sridevamma Garu, inculcated bhakti, devotion to Lord, since I was a child. Perhaps I was in my teens. Once she had taken me to her Guru's ashramam. He is Sitaram Yatindrulo and his ashramam is at Pedamuttivi near Vijayawada, where she had shown me a young Swamiji who was none other than our Puja Chanajayar Swamiji. He had taken sannyas ashramam at that time, and I felt he was not an ordinary human being. I felt his eyes were filled with celestial light. In my 40s, I had taken Pancha Samskaras, we call Samasranam, from our Swamiji. Since then, I had developed telepathy with him. Do you know what is meant by telepathy? Telepathy means communication between two minds. Whenever I get any doubts, I get clarification for my doubts. Few years back, I was performing Saranagati Diksha. At the time of closing ceremony, we went to Sita Nagaram accompanied by my husband and my son Siddharth. Time I heard devotees talking. If Guru or Acharya looks into the eyes of a person, his blessings will be sent through his eyes. I prayed Swamiji for my son. After completion of the function, we were coming back. Then my son said, Amma, Swami looked into my eyes twice. I don't know the reason. I was shocked to hear this. That means Swamiji answered my prayer. Later, my son settled well in his life. Now he is in Dallas. As far as my daughter Hemasri is concerned, that time she was in Phoenix and I was thinking about my daughter. Swamiji, please bless my daughter. I got a call from my daughter. She said, Amma, I came to know that Swamiji is here. Some devotees rang me up and asked if I can help them as a volunteer. I couldn't believe my ears. That means Swamiji answered my prayer. I told her to go and serve. Then she went there and served there as volunteer and took Swamiji's blessings. When I was working in schools and colleges, whenever I had the feeling that I was overburdened with work, Swamiji was always there beside me, invisibly, and used to console me. Normally, I find Jai Srimanarayana on the vehicles. I feel that Swamiji is consoling me. Swami is talking to me and I feel relieved from my agony. As far as spiritual aspects are concerned, I get clarification from Swamiji's preachings. Once I got a doubt if dreams were true, and Swamiji said, dreams are as real as the life situations we experience every day. Once I got a doubt whether God is formless or with form. Then Swamiji said, God is formless because He is all pervasive. We can't see Him with form. But if we want to see Him in form, we can see Him in form also. Acharya also turns unfavorable situations into favorable ones. Once I came to know that Swamiji was going to Badri along with his devotees. That time, I was working in Sri Chaitanya College. I scolded myself for not being able to go with Swami. But suddenly, my daughter announced that she was going to Delhi to get her certificates. Without any second thought, I too went along with her. You may get a doubt how our Delhi tour would be connected with Badri tour. It did happen. Having faith on Swamiji, we started. We reached safely to the ashram of Swamiji at Rishikesh. We spent a day with other devotees in Swamiji's ashram. Later, we came to know that all tickets to Badri were filled up. We were so disappointed and thought of coming back, but as the last chance, we tried again. We were so happy when the driver announced that there are 2 more tickets to Badri. Then we reached Badri and took darshan of Badrinath. We were lucky enough to have prasadam served by our Acharya himself. Thus, if we have strong intentions, then our intentions will be fulfilled. Our Acharya proved it. We need not feel he is not there with us now. He is always there with us. We can feel the presence of Acharya even in his photographs. We can feel that he is talking to us. So, what we have to do is we have to move on his footprint. I wish you all happy Guru Purnami. Acharya Divya Tiruvadugale Saranam. Jai Sriman Narayana.